Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So in today's video, we will continue our shadowing video, and this is from test 2, and we will do our shadowing by start from section 1 of test 2. Okay, without further ado, let's go.
Before you hear the rest of the interview, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10.
You have a time to look at questions 6 to 10.
Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Now listen and answer the question 6 to 10.
Now, in this last section, I'd like you to give us some ideas about the
facilities and the arrangement
in the city for getting to and from work.
in this city for getting to work.
Any suggestions you have for improvement?
I need some suggestion for improvements.
Well, something I've thought about for some time is
Well, something I've thought about for some time
that when I do walk and
is that when I do work,
I'm doing a later shift,
I'm doing a later shift.
I think the lighting should be better.
Yes,
I think the lighting should be better.
good point.
Yes, good points.
And of course, I think it's a real shame
And of course, I think it's a real shame
they've been cutting down on the number of footpaths.
they've been cutting down the number of footpaths.
They should have more of those.
They should have more of those.
Then people would walk more.
Yes.
Then people would walk more. Yes, right.
And I don't think there are enough trains.
And I don't think there are enough trains.
That's why I don't use them. You have to wait so long.
That's why I don't use them. You have to wait so long.
Thanks.
Thanks.
And finally, I'd
And finally,
like to ask your opinion on cycling.
I'd like to ask your opinion about cycling.
As you may know, there's a drive
As you may know,
in the city to get more people to cycle to work.
there's a driver in this city to get more people to cycling to work.
Right.
Right.
But we realize
But we realize
that there are things which the council,
that there are things which is the council,
but also employers might do to help
but also employees might do to help encourage
workers to cycle to work.
workers to cycle to work.
Yeah. Well,
Yep. Well,
I have thought about it.
I have thought about it.
And where I work, there are
And while I work, there are
no safe places to leave your bikes.
those safe places to leave your bike.
Okay.
Okay.
And also, I'd have to cycle uphill.
And also I have to cycle uphill.
And on a hot day, I'd
And on a hot day,
arrive at work pretty sweaty. So
I do arrive at work pretty sweaty.
I think I'd need a shower somewhere at work.
So I think I need shower somewhere at work.
Right.
Right.
And I suppose the last thing
And I suppose the last thing
is that I wouldn't be all that confident about cycling on such busy roads.
is that I wouldn't feel that confident about cycling on such a busy roads.
I think I'd like to see you offering training for that.
I think I'd like to see you all from training for that.
You know, I'd feel a lot better about starting if that was the case.
You know, I feel a lot better of starting if that was the case.
Well, that's very helpful.
Well, that's very helpful.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much for your time.
No problem. Bye.
No problem. Bye.
That is the end of section 1.
That is the end of section 1. Okay, that was the end of section 1 part 2. And we will continue our video for section 2. So, see you soon. Goodbye.